Hi, I'm Sam Langridge, Product Manager for Montana Fifth Wheels. I'm here with Lazydays RV at the Tampa RV Show at the fairgrounds. We want to take a minute and show you the Montana 3781 rear lounge floor plan. It's a brand new floor plan and it's super exciting for the customers. One of the unique parts of this floor plan is we actually have an extra compartment here that specifically can be used for a TV. You have your central vac, just about any application you want. You have your traditional storage area here, but this is an addition and it's unique to this floor plan. This also on the outside of this unit, if you look at it, it's got the full body paint. That's an option with all Montanas, and it's a great benefit if you're just tired of decals. We're going to go inside here in a little bit and we're going to show you some of the nice things on the inside. On all Montanas, as you notice when we enter, we have an extra tall entry door and we have it 30-inch wide. That's in every floor plan to make sure you can get in and out easily. Come on in, we'll show you some of the stuff on the inside. Right away when you walk in, you see this enormous kitchen. That's what's unique to this floor plan. It's brand new this year. It has the largest kitchen and the largest island that Montana has ever built in a floor plan. What that gives the customer is an immense amount of storage. Notice here on all of the upper cabinets, the available storage with no wood framing through the middle. You can put large items in there. You've got large residential drawers. You can see it's full of all types of things that normally you're going to get little drawers with other brands. And again, here again, no wood down the middle, cookie sheets, anything. This floor plan has more storage in the kitchen than anything we've ever built. Also unique to this floor plan is we've taken and located the washer dryer cabinet here and out of your bedroom. So you have dual function. You can use this for either a coat closet, winter coats, anything you need, or your washer dryer stackable. And then you've got this great convenient pantry here with all of your switch panels and all of your storage for pantry area. And always can never have enough storage. You have what we call some attic storage here, which allows you to put things that you might not use every day, but just need to find a home for. Immense amount of storage. And if you've got a minute, let's come up and look at the bathroom. We have a unique bathroom in this unit. Now I know it's tight as far as getting a view, but this is a double vanity bathroom. Counter space, and a lot of times you'll see manufacturers build this floor plan and they'll use inexpensive mirrors shoved against the wall, which takes storage away from you. Here you've got double medicine cabinets. You also have storage here, and look at these drawers. 3 huge drawers for any items that you want in your bathroom. This almost has as much storage as most floor plans have in their kitchen. We've got it in your bathroom. And also going into the bedroom, a unique part about this floor plan, it actually has 2 slide outs opposing. We have a slide out with the TV and cabinet. We have a full bedroom slide here with a full king bed. So these 2 slides going out at the same time gives you an enormous amount of space at the foot of the bed and great space here at the bed area. And you've always got this full closet, nice convenient clothes hamper, keeps the dirty clothes off the floor. And again, even more hanging space, as you can see there. One thing I didn't stress, in all Montanas, you'll find more hardwood than in any other manufacturer. We've got hardwood all the way around our slide outs. All of the framing around every cabinet is hardwood. It's not wood wrapped in paper. So please, when you get a chance, come to Lazydays and look at Montana.